Hey there, AI enthusiasts. Welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're diving into the mysterious world of imagination and reality and how scientists are using AI to gain new insights into one of the most puzzling transitions in human consciousness. So, buckle up and get ready to have your mind blown. Did you know that when our perception of something matches what we're imagining, we will assume we've imagined it? This is known as the Perky effect, and it's just one of the many fascinating discoveries that scientists have made in their quest to understand the neuroscience behind imagination and perception. With the advancement of neuroimaging, we now know that many of the same brain processes are involved when we imagine something as when we actually see it. But how does our brain distinguish between the two? That's where AI comes in. Recently, a team of researchers led by Dijkstra set out to replicate Perky's experiment using a more controlled setup. Instead of asking participants to imagine a fruit, they were asked to imagine diagonal lines. And what they found was surprising. When participants were shown faint images of the lines, they were more likely to report seeing them. And when they weren't shown the lines, some still reported seeing them, suggesting vivid imaginations at work. So what's going on here? According to Dijkstra, it all comes down to sensory strength. Dijkstra and her team believe that the visual and prefrontal cortices may be directly involved in the process of distinguishing imagination from reality. They hypothesize that there is a reality threshold, and when the strength of a representation exceeds this threshold, we consider it real. This has important implications for understanding conditions like hallucinations, schizophrenia, and Parkinson's, where people may experience vivid imaginations that feel real to them. But how exactly is AI helping us understand the neuroscience behind imagination and perception? Well, with the help of AI algorithms, researchers are able to analyze neuroimaging data and identify patterns of brain activity that correspond to different mental states. By comparing brain activity during perception and imagination tasks, they can gain new insights into how the brain distinguishes between the two. One of the most promising approaches in this field is deep learning, a type of AI that uses neural networks to model and analyze complex data. By training neural networks on large data sets of brain imaging data, researchers can teach them to recognize different mental states such as perception and imagination based on patterns of brain activity. And the applications of this research aren't limited to understanding the neuroscience behind imagination and perception. With the help of AI, researchers are also developing new brain-computer interfaces and neuroprosthetics that can decode mental states and help people with disabilities communicate and control devices with their thoughts. Now, let's switch gears and talk about something completely different: the human microbiome. Did you know that only half of the cells in your body are truly yours? The other half are foreign microbes, collectively called the human microbiome. And these little guys play a big role in our health, particularly when it comes to gut health. But with so many different species and functions, studying the microbiome is no easy task. That's where AI comes in. With the help of AI, researchers are able to better understand how we acquire these foreign microbes and how they are exchanged between people. This has important implications for personalized medicine and the development of targeted therapies. One of the most promising applications of AI in the field of microbiome research is the development of personalized probiotics and antibiotics. By analyzing data on an individual's microbiome, researchers can use AI algorithms to identify which strains of bacteria are most beneficial for their health and develop targeted probiotics to promote the growth of those strains. But the potential of AI in microbiome research goes beyond just personalized probiotics. By analyzing data on the microbiome of people with certain diseases, researchers can use AI algorithms to identify patterns and biomarkers that may help diagnose and treat those diseases. For example, studies have shown that people with Parkinson's disease have distinct differences in their microbiome compared to healthy individuals, which may help diagnose the disease earlier and develop new treatments. Finally, let's talk about mitochondria. You may remember from high school biology that mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell, producing energy for our bodies to function. But did you know that mitochondria also play a role in cell development? Using AI, researchers have discovered that mitochondria are the mysterious conductors driving development, controlling the difference in timing between different embryonic tissues. By manipulating different regions within the mitochondria of human and mouse stem cells, researchers were able to control the speed of protein production and cell development. This has important implications for cell therapy and cancer research. But the potential of AI in mitochondria research goes beyond just cell development. By analyzing data on mitochondrial function in people with certain diseases, researchers can use AI algorithms to identify patterns and biomarkers that may help diagnose and treat those diseases. For example, studies have shown that people with diabetes have distinct differences in their mitochondrial function compared to healthy individuals, which may help diagnose the disease earlier and develop new treatments. So there you have it, folks. AI is helping us gain new insights into some of the most mysterious and complex aspects of human biology, from the neuroscience behind imagination and perception to the microbiome and mitochondria. And with the help of AI, we're developing new personalized treatments and therapies that have the potential to revolutionize healthcare. The future of AI in healthcare is exciting, and we can't wait to see what new discoveries and innovations lie ahead. But as with any new technology, the use of AI in healthcare also raises important ethical considerations. Issues like bias in AI algorithms, privacy concerns around the use of personal health data, and the potential for AI to replace human jobs in the healthcare industry are all important topics that need to be addressed as we continue to develop and implement AI in healthcare. One way to address these ethical considerations is through education and training for healthcare professionals. By teaching doctors, nurses, and other healthcare providers about the potential benefits and risks of AI, we can ensure that they are equipped to make informed decisions about how to use AI in their practice. And by incorporating ethics training into AI development programs, we can ensure that the developers of AI technologies are aware of the potential ethical implications of their work. As we look to the future of AI in healthcare, collaboration and innovation will be key. By bringing together experts from a variety of fields, including computer science, biology, medicine, and ethics, we can develop new AI technologies that have the potential to transform healthcare. And by working together to address the ethical considerations around AI in healthcare, we can ensure that these technologies are developed and implemented in a way that benefits everyone. Of course, developing and implementing new AI technologies in healthcare requires investment and funding. And while there is already significant investment in AI in healthcare, more funding is needed to support research and development in this field. By investing in AI in healthcare, we can accelerate the development of new treatments and therapies, improve patient outcomes, and drive innovation in the healthcare industry. Finally, as AI continues to play an increasingly important role in healthcare, policy and regulation will be critical to ensuring that these technologies are developed and implemented in a way that benefits everyone. By developing policies and regulations that support innovation while also addressing ethical considerations, we can create a framework for the responsible use of AI in healthcare. So there you have it, folks. From the neuroscience behind imagination and perception to the microbiome and mitochondria, AI is helping us gain new insights into some of the most complex and mysterious aspects of human biology. And with the potential to revolutionize healthcare, the future of AI in this field is exciting. But as we continue to develop and implement AI in healthcare, it's important to address the ethical considerations and work together to create a framework for the responsible use of these technologies. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content from All About AI Tech.